Hey Bhagya, where is your Klimaticket?
It's in my pocket.
Just check.
Don't have. Oh my god, I don't have it. Namaskaram everyone. Welcome back to my channel, South India to Austria. Isn't it a worst feeling when you reach for your klima ticket to your pockets, your bag, and your wallet and realize that your klima ticket is missing? That moment of panic is absolutely real. Losing an annual pass is like losing a lot of money. Since the Klima ticket is physical card, we carry it everywhere. The chances of losing it is very high. Unfortunately, it's normal for normal people. I'm not talking about the superhumans here. After rechecking everywhere, you confirm that it's finally lost. Make sure you buy a day ticket for your journey, and for getting the replacement of the card, first official step is to report the loss. So for this, you need to reach Taimul Platz 9 for reporting the loss. So there you need to pay 2 euros 20 cents for the form, which the office will give you the lost confirmation form. So get that form. Before you go there, make sure you carry Austrian resident ID and the original bill of your Klimaticket purchase, or the mail date settle of your local resident address proof. Now, with the loss report form, head to the Verbund Lene Service Center. The Verbund Lene Center, you would submit your loss report form and also required to pay 10 euros as a replacement fees. Here is the best part. They will issue you a brand new replacement Klima ticket instantly and with the same validity as your original Klima ticket. After collecting your new card, here is a pro tip. You can capture the picture of the front and back of your card, so that next time, unfortunately, if you lose it, so that makes your life easier in getting the replacement. So losing your Klima ticket is stressful, but if you know this two straightforward steps, replacing and getting a replacement of the ticket is straightforward in Graz. So this process may change in different cities. So this video is mainly made for the people who are in Graz. Thank you for watching, and if you feel this video was helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.